A. A is for apple of my eye. I love you. You are my sweetie pie. B. B is for banana, growing upside down. Remember, when you need me, I will always be around. C. C is for cherry, hanging out together, just like us in any weather. D. D is for durian, the king of fruits. I enjoy your company, even when we have disputes. E. E is for elderberry, making yummy jam. Let's have a picnic as soon as we can. F. F is for fig, in need of sun all day. I want to give you a hug. Is that okay? G. G is for grapefruit, a morning treat. Let's try one. It's very healthy to eat. H. H is for honeydew, oh so sweet. I'm proud of you. You have the world at your feet. I. I is for Indian plum, a bittersweet taste. Please forgive me if I'm sometimes in haste. J. J is for jackfruit, 120 pounds in weight. Could you tell me about your day before it's getting late? K. K is for kiwi fruit, full of vitamin C. Just be yourself, that's enough, I guarantee. L. L is for lemon, quenching thirst. Trust me, you always come first. M. M is for mango, growing from a tree. Spending time with you fills me with glee. N. N is for nectarine, one for me and one for you. If you can choose anything, what would you like to do? O. O is for orange, tasty as a drink. Let's have one soon. What do you think? P. P is for pear, ripe in fall. I will always believe in you, even when you hit a wall. Q. Q is for quince, family of the pear. Cherish your dreams. They'll get you anywhere. R. R is for raspberry, arising from the rose. Trust yourself. Just follow your nose. S. S is for strawberry, the fruit of love. To make a wish, look at the stars above. T. T is for tangerine, easy to peel. I want to spend time with you. Let's make a meal. U. U is for ugly fruit, a little sweet and a little sour. You are awesome. That is your superpower. V. V is for vanilla bean, yummy in a cake. Could you say something nice about me? It is give and take. W. W is for watermelon, a juicy bite. Be confident. You are smart and bright. X. X is for Ziga, watermelon in Chinese. Life is a wonderful journey, but there are no guarantees. Y. Y is for yuzu, popular in Japan. You are very dear to me. I am your biggest fan. Z. Z is for Che, growing very high. This is our last fruit. So time to say goodbye.